Hold on.
Okay guys, back again with part 2 of this video. As I was saying before, I like the circuit board. These wires here, yeah, they are really, yeah, they're really stiff. They're not like the regular, you know, wires that they use for these. Yeah, for this amplifier they really go, I don't know, they really go, you know, outside the box. They really step the gain, you know, the gain up, and everything was, you know, good. Torite transformer, yeah, good. It's really put together. As I said before, I like this circuit board, everything about it. These rail caps is like, well, let's see, the voltage on this is 100 volts, 180 microfarad, or 180 UF, 100 volts. And we have these up here now saying 200 volts, 220 microfarad. And guys, let me tell you, I didn't pour this up as yet. Only thing I do, I replace the output MOSFETs, and that's it. I don't know if it's plain or not, but this is a chance, you know. This is something I will need to take. So guys, yeah, let's just see if everything works out the way I want it to. Hold on, okay, hold on. Alright, so I have my subwoofer wire hooked up already, just in case everything goes well. So let's go ahead, find some track here so I can play some instrumental, so I don't get charged for copyright. So let me see here, what would I do? Which one would I play? Oh man, so many guys, you know, copyright been giving me a fight for a long time. I don't know why, you know, and I don't play anything with any lyrics or anything like that, but they are giving me a fight. Like, I'm gonna have to contact them and see what's going on, you know. Okay guys, let's see. Guys, as you can see, power light is on and it's playing. Guys, yep, it's playing good and everything. Let me take this off. Okay, guys, get a view of the circuit board. Everything is looks okay. And then you guys can see. Alright, I replaced the pole light to be blue instead of green. Yeah, that this look more, you know, they can, if it goes in protection mode, they can identify it, you know, quicker. I like to use the blue. just to let you guys, know that it's really plain. No gimmicks, Everything is working perfectly. Alright guys, that's it for now for this video. Okay, that's it for this bench test for this amplifier. This is let's just see it again. This is Gothic, Poor Acoustic Gothic, and this is the 6,000 watt. We all know it doesn't do the 6,000 watt, but guys, yeah, it really do. I think it will do like 1,500. Wow, what is this on this? Yeah, guys, I think they'll do the 1,500, and but it really plays. It plays really good, guys. Everything really cool. No problem, Yeah. So that's it, guys, for this repair. C&C Electronics out for now. Yes, guys, as you can see, yeah. I say I really like the circuit board, guys. It does have this little blue light at the front right here. Yeah, perfect. As I said, guys, this is the Poor Acoustik. This is the first Poor Acoustik I've worked on with this type of circuit board. I really like it. It's really uniform, really put together and everything. Yeah, and that's it, guys, for this repair. Things okay. Repair output. That's the 31. We would say FB31 and 20B. Yeah, you could use for this output. You could use the FB38 and 20B. It works just the same. But everything is okay, guys, and that's it for this repair. And see you on the next one, guys. And C&C Electronics out for now for this. Bench test for this one, as you guys can see. Everything is okay. Nothing's overheating. Nothing like is overheating. So all good and set, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. And see you on the next one. Damn, this is pretty good. Bam bam ba da 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 bam 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 bam. Boy. Ding 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 ding. Kane bula bula
Your love is fake. Your love is fake. I feel it's fake. I feel it. Press that thumbs up button if you can hear my voice, please. Helps me out a lot. Happy Saturday. Share this link with all your friends. Early bird gets it. Let's go virus. We here.